Y ella se llama
Selena.
Hello everyone, today we're gonna make slime. Let's see what we have to prepare. First we put glue in a small bowl.
Mira, es blanco glue.
Second is flour.
Then we mix it.
Now I'm gonna put cleansing gel to make the slime smooth. Finally, we got the color. And let's see what color they have. And Mommy prepared glitters.
Yay!
What is this color, Selena?
Red.
Rojo. What is this color?
Purple.
Morado. What is this color?
Green.
Verde. What is this color?
Blue.
Azul. What is this color?
White.
Blanco. What is this color?
Yellow.
Amarillo.
Yay!
ใครชอบวิดีโอนี้นะคะ อย่าลืมกดไลค์กดแชร์ Subscribe แล้วก็กดกระดิ่งด้วยนะคะ อย่าลืมกดไลค์กดแชร์ Subscribe กดกระดิ่งนะคะTe quiero. See you next time.
Hola, chicas.